almost caught one. You gotta pay attention. Gang, 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 gang. What it is? Mook in the V, back with another video. Outside, man, Saturday, Chicago, October, 70 degrees today, man. Crazy shit is happening every day, but we outside for it, man. Let's see what's popping out here, man. Y'all see what the situation is out here. Crazy. My phone that. Turn the lights off. Oh no. That's still running. I have to pull off when it's running, y'all. Oh, it's busting out here though, man. Y'all causing all these problems out here, man? It's busting out here. What up, man? What up? What up? I know Mook in the V gotta be on the investigation side of the game. They still cutting up down there. Y'all know we on foot with it. I'm trying to get up there too. They got the motherfucking fire. Hey, you almost caught one. You gotta pay attention. No, you ain't. Look, you was smooth with it, but
exactly.
it was too close though.
But I wasn't paying attention.
Hey, it didn't get her. She ain't lying. She ain't lying.
Yeah. Shit cold.
Hey, you on the channel, man. Talk your shit one time.
I ain't got all my life, man. We got
Hey, look, man.
Fuck your city.
Hey, look, this channel going up, bro. They
'Cause
doing
we the
their
best
shit,
city.
man. You know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna see them on this motherfucker.
It's a Saturday night.
Yes, sir.
About 60-some degrees. We out here fucking up the tires.
You gotta say the month though. That's what really.
Oh, yeah.
It's October 23rd.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's really. My bad. Jason, say what up to the camera guy. What's going on with you? How you feeling, bro? Man, trying to get this pussy, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Motherfucking battery finna die, gang. I gotta go get another battery. Gotta go get another battery, man. We're gonna see if we can make it all the way. Y'all see they cutting up, though. I'm been talking about hi. It's outside tonight, y'all. Ain't you too far back, bro. You gotta go get you a better. I know you tall, but you gotta go get up there, man.
Man, trying to be right.
Are you stuck? Oh yeah, it's over with then. You in one of these right here? Oh yeah, nah. You'll be better off trying to get them to get up out your way.
Check it out. I tell him move on.
Hell yeah. Y'all gotta play. Y'all gotta play Tetris. I gotta play Tetris to get up out of here. That's why you get a. Might finna make it back to the car, y'all. Shit. Shout your IG out, man.
Huh?
Go ahead, shout your IG out. You don't even know it.
Yeah, man.
That's all that Snapchat. Okay, bet, man. Y'all go ahead and check my man out. All right, but you gotta subscribe to the channel right now, though. You don't even know where to see yourself at. Mook and the V, man, on YouTube. We outside. MOOK space NTHA. You on YouTube?
Me?
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, there you go. Boom, right there. You got me, bro? All right, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Y'all subscribe. Y'all subscribe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look. I see what time it is, man. We outside again, y'all. They stuck, man. Ain't no getting through there. We finna flip batteries, man, and we finna get right back into action, man. I'll holler at y'all in the holler second.